हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ प्रतीक्षा हेयर। आज हम लोग संडे वीकेंड रिवीजन में उन सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर को रिवाइज करेंगे जो हम लोगों ने इस वीक में लर्न किए हैं। तो हम लोगों ने इस वीक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 721 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 750 तक क्वेश्चन आंसर लर्न किए हैं। तो चलिए हम लोग इन सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर को रिवाइज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 721, When was Make in India initiative launched by Prime Minister? Then its answer is September 2014. Question number 722, where is the headquarter of Indian Institute of Remote Sensing? Then its answer is Dehradun. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? देहरादून. Question number 723, to which is Rana Pratap Sagar plant related? Then its answer is hydroelectricity. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Hydroelectricity. Question number 724, in which state of India is Rana Pratap Sagar plant located? In which state of India is Rana Pratap Sagar plant located? Then its answer is Rajasthan. Question number 725, on which river is Rana Pratap Sagar dam located? On which river is Rana Pratap Sagar dam located? Then its answer is Chambal river. Question number 726, in which year was Bombay province divided into Gujarat and Maharashtra? Then its answer is 1960. Question number 727, which city is known as Greenwich of India? Which city is known as Greenwich of India? Then its answer is Ujjain. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? उज्जैन. Which city is known as Greenwich of India? Then its answer is Ujjain. Question number 728, who is the author of the book The Idea of Justice? Then its answer is Amartya Sen. Question number 729, where is the headquarter of National Fisheries Development Board? Then its answer is Hyderabad. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? हैदराबाद. Question number 730, where is the headquarter of National Jute Board? Then its answer is Kolkata. Question number 731, on which river is Aswan High Dam situated? On which river is Aswan High Dam situated? Then its answer is Nile River. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Nile River. Question number 732, who used the word Renaissance first? Who used the word Renaissance first? Then its answer is Jules Michelet. Question number 733, which is the largest island of world in terms of area? Then its answer is Greenland. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Greenland. Question number 734, which type of process is photosynthesis? Which type of process is photosynthesis? Then its answer is photosynthesis is a process in which light energy is converted into chemical energy. Question number 735, which amendment of Indian Constitution is related to the reservation for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and Anglo-Indians in the Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly? Then its answer is 79th Amendment. Question number 736, who is the founder of Krashak Praja Party? Then its answer is A.K. Fazlul Haq. Question number 737, in which state of India is Indravati National Park located? Then its answer is Chhattisgarh. Question number 738, in which state of India is Gir National Park located? Then its answer is Gujarat. Question number 739, which country of world is known as playground of Europe? Then its answer is Switzerland. Question number 740, who is the author of the book Polandry in the Himalayas? Then its answer is Yashwant Singh Parmar. Question number 741, which planet is known as morning star or evening star? Then its answer is Venus. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Venus, शुक्र ग्रह. Question number 742, who is the author of the book Value and Capital? Who is the author of the book Value and Capital? Then its answer is Sir J.R. Hicks. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Sir J.R. Hicks is the author of the book Value and Capital. Question number 743. Who added the doctrine of Brahmacharya in Jainism? Who added the doctrine of Brahmacharya in Jainism? Then its answer is Mahavir. Question number 744. What is the chemical name of bleaching powder? Then its answer is calcium oxychloride. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड. Question number 745. In which part of human body is vitamin A stored? In which part of human body is vitamin A stored? Then its answer is liver. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Liver. Question number 746. What is the capital of Romania? What is the capital of Romania? Then its answer is Bucharest. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Bucharest. Question number 747. Which deficiency leads to very very? Which deficiency leads to very very? Then its answer is vitamin B1. Question number 748. Which deficiency leads to rickets? Which deficiency leads to rickets? Then its answer is vitamin D. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Vitamin D. Question number 749. What is the chemical name of vitamin A? What is the chemical name of vitamin A? Then its answer is retinol. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? Retinol. Question number 750. To which subject is sperm related? To which subject is sperm related? Then its answer is computer. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? कंप्यूटर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.